Hi, thank you for joining me today on my YouTube channel. This is a channel that introduces the vocational training options that you have, and it helps if you don't understand the language yet. This is a channel that helps you understand that there are a lot of options that you can have that you can do in Germany. Let's not forget you have to understand the German language. So if you haven't started your German course, I would encourage you to do so, because if you don't, you are like someone who is beside a very big water river that can drink and decide to just take drips from the tap. The German language is very important, so I will encourage you to do so. Now, if you have your B2, your B1, or you have your C1, or you have, or you are a native speaker, or you are just new in Germany and you intend to transition into another career, or you want to continue your career, you don't know the words for it, you have it here. I have a different playlist with different career options you can do so in your free time to watch them. They're informative and educative. Don't forget, don't give up on your careers, because only you can stop you. So now, not understanding the language is no option again. Watch the videos, select the playlist that you're interested in, watch the options, choose the options, take the bold step and go to the right office and start your career. In this video, I'll be discussing art, culture and design. That's Kunstkultur und Gestaltung. So are you a culture lover? You love art? Then this is a video I will encourage you to watch to the end. Go through the playlist as videos keep coming. Subscribe so you can get notifications. Click on the notification button. Subscribe so you can get notifications when I upload new videos, and share with families and friends. That's very important. If my video has helped you, my previous videos, write us in the comment section. We are grateful for you commenting and for you writing us, or if you need further information, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. Don't forget, don't give up on your careers, because only you can stop you. In this video, the art, culture and design is 102 careers with 7 areas of specialization. Imagine 102 options, vocational training under art and culture and design only. So you have no excuse for doing nothing. Go through the playlist, watch the videos to the end, and don't forget, share with families and friends. It's very important. Yeah, welcome. The first area of specialization under arts and culture is Berufe in Kunst and Werk. That is professions around crafts and arts and crafts. So if you are interested in arts and craft work, then this is the video I will encourage you to watch to the end. The first area of specialization has 2 careers under it. Now, the first area of specialization, that is the Drechselering, Elfenbeinschnitzering, that is wood carver. If you want to become a wood carver, there are 2 areas of specialization. The first area of specialization is in Fachrichtung Drechseln, that is specialty wood turning. The duration is 3 years and it's an anerkannte Ausbildung. If you have a certificate, yeah, your chances are high. If you don't, yeah, you can be accepted as well. But the certificates that you can use to get into it are the Hochschulreife, Hauptschulabschluss, or the Realschulabschluss. So if you have anything lower than that, but the most important is the German language. If you understand your Dutch, the German language, and you can communicate well, yeah, it's very important for all vocational training. So this is the first area of specialization, Fachrichtung Drechseln, that is specialty in wood turning. Let's not forget, we are still under arts and crafts, Berufe in Kunst and Werk. So what do? They specialize, they produce products, small fitting furnitures. That is what they do. Wooden spoons, or they get wooden carves out based on sketches. For typical materials, for plastic or precious materials or ivory, it's also part of their work materials. They carve it as well. They make custom-made items as well. They advise customers with sketches and drawings with the designs they have, and they have selective materials for the turning process. They plant workpiece, they shape it, they work on different layers as the picture beside me depicts. They cut, they drill and nail together. They make sure that the surfaces of their work is smooth and polished, and they assemble this together. They care and maintain for machines and tools that they use in their wood turning job. This, where do they find employment? They find employment in small and medium craft businesses. They also find employment where they manufacture furniture as well. So they carve wood, they polish it, and they make sure that they follow the specifications of their customers, or after sketching, making sketches and designs. Don't forget, it's 3 years and it's a recognized training. It's an anerkannte Ausbildung training Beruf. So if you are interested in arts and craft, this is the first area of specialization. That is Berufe in Kunst Handwerk, and the first career path is Fachrichtung Drechseln. That's a specialty wood turning. So the second area of specialization is still in this video. See you there. Welcome back. So this is the second area of specialization, and that is in Fachrichtung Elfenbeinschnitzern. That's a specialty ivory carving. If you love art and you want to go into ivory carving, you want to learn how ivory is being carved, plastics or on or wood, then this is a career you want to look into. The duration is 3 years, and it's also an anerkannte Ausbildung. It's a recognized training. Do you need certificates? Yes, you do. And if you don't, you are as well accepted. But the most important thing is your German certificate. If you understand the German language, then it's easier for you to get into any vocational training in Germany. So specialty ivory carving, what do they do? As the picture beside me depicts, they carve ivory, they carve ons, they carve plastics, they carve majorly ivory, and they polish it. They make images out of materials. They glue it together, they cut it, they glue it together, and make sure that it's being polished and beautifully made. So where do they find employment? They find employment in furniture industries, they find employment in small businesses and large carving industries. So as the picture beside me depicts, if you have a customer did a sketch that they want that to be made for them as a artifact to be placed in their house, or as a decorative item, a decor, then this is what they do as well. They get the sketches from customers as they want, and they carve it out. So if you are creative, you have an eye for carving, you're interested in artwork, then this is a career you want to look into. Or you have this skill back at home and you really want to polish it, then this is a career you definitely want to continue into as well. Don't forget, don't give up on your careers. If you don't have German language, start. You have a lot of options here that you can go into. And if you already have your German language and still don't know what to do, walk through the playlist. Then once you have the right option and you've chosen that, wow, this is a course, or this is vocational training here in Germany, then the next thing to do for you is to take that bold step. Go to the job center or Agentur for Arbeit near you and proceed on the Berufsschule or the vocational school that you want to do the training. Don't forget, don't give up on your careers. There are lots of options here. Learn the language, integrate in the system, and only you can stop you. So welcome back. This is the second career under this first area of specialization. That is Figuren Terraformer Ring. That is figure ceramist. So what is a figure ceramist? They, as the picture depicts, they are into ceramics, and the duration is 3 years. It's 3 years, and it's a recognized training. It's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. If you have a certificate, yes, you're accepted. If you don't have, your chances is okay as well, but it's good to have a certificate. But the most important thing, like I always say, is your German level, your Dutch certificate, that you've learned the German language. So what do? As the picture beside depicts, they are into forming ceramics. They make sure that there's no crack, it's smooth, the unevenness is not there, it is removed, and they make sure that every ceramics that is being done is with different designs and different modes as well. Where do they find employment? They find employment in porcelain or the ceramics industry. Porcelain or the ceramics industry. So they are into ceramics making, figure making, as is shapes, cups, plates, spoons, or decorative vases, or porcelain vases, that is flower vase. They are into that. So if you are interested in how this is being done, or you have the skill back at home, you are a ceramist and you want to continue, definitely the training is here. If you don't know, it is an encounter, it is a recognized training, and it is for 3 years, and definitely you need your German certificate language to go into this. Feel free to write us in the comment section if our video has helped you. Share with families and friends. Don't give up on your careers. The third career part is going to be explained in the upcoming video, so subscribe so that you get notifications when I upload new videos. The options are there. It's 102 careers only under Kunst and Art and Culture, so that means you can choose a lot and you can go through the career options and choose whichever one you see fits or is best for you with your passion and or with what you've done that you want to come back and polish and do better. Feel free to share with families and friends. Don't give up on your careers. I'll see you in my next video.